What's going on, everyone? It's Jeremy with JMed's Brick Clicks. Today, I've got a mechanical hummingbird made from the company JM There's the name. There's the hummingbird. And this thing also has some electrical lighting in it. You can see the hummingbird's eye glowing there. And you can see the hummingbird's green on one side. We've got all the coloration. We flip it around. We've kind of got a mech, little steampunk kind of looking design, at least to me. So we're going to open this thing. You can still see it's still sealed here. And let's see what the unboxing does on this, so we know what we're going to be in for. Now this set has 1,704 pieces. So I am curious how this set is going to go. All right. So what's inside? Well, there's our lighting kit. That's interesting. We'll take a look at that in a second. We've got all the bags, and man, this box is stuffed. Nothing else in the box. Here's our instruction manual. Let's take a look at that. So it's got a nice little sleeve so it doesn't get all bent or tore up or folded. Let's take a quick look at this. Looks fairly self-explanatory. All nice colors. Steps look pretty good. Looks like, yeah. So here's our steps. Looks like we're going to do the landscape first. And I assume, yeah, when we get later on, we'll do the hummingbird. So, here's both sides of the hummingbird. Alright, what do we got? There's the back of it. Oh, so in case you're wondering, what else does this company make? They've got some cool pirate ships. Got two interesting ones. Age of Exploration, the Black Pearl. Well, that's interesting. The Flying Dutchman. Looks like we got like a roller coaster design down here. What else do we got in here? Oh, just one page of some to entice you to go to their website. So, JM Bricklayer. And I believe that is the website's name. Yes. There's some instructions here on the box. Visit us at www.jmbricklayer.com. I went there. They've got several sets if you guys are interested. So, it looks like we have numbered bags. 4, 3, and hiding amongst all this somewhere is bag 1. There we go. There's a bag 1. There's a bag 1. Wow, I found them all. Alright, so what is in this? Bricks LED light kit. Well, we get... no idea. I'm going to have to read on some of these things. One. We get an interesting brick separator. Well, that is pretty interesting. Okay. Alright, well, I guess we'll have to find out once I get this thing built what these are for. So, stay tuned. It took a little while, but we got it done. Let's take a look at it. Let's move the instruction booklet away. We'll look at it first without the lighting on, and then we'll turn the lighting system on. You can see the base. So we've got some little fireflies down here at the bottom. Some flowers. A really large one here. That one's really well done. Okay, let's come up. Got a nice little tree. And then we've got the hummingbird. Now looking at that angle, it looks really good. It's really colorful. Very happy with the design of it. It's spot on. When you look at it way back here, yeah, I mean, it's exactly what the box looks like. Okay, now right back here, I'll show you the trick. That little box right there, that is the battery box. Well, not the battery box. That's where you hook up a lot of the wiring that you see. And then we've just got it. It comes with this plug, and it'll plug into any USB outlet. So we're going to turn that on. And there you go. So you do get several lights in this kit. So you can see the little... and there you go. You can see we get several lights in this lighting kit. You see the lightning bugs are all lit up. Got some other little bugs, some flowers lit up. See the tubing. There's a light in that flower. We'll turn the lights off here in just a second. And then each eye, one on both sides. I'll show you the other side in just a second. All right, let's turn the lights off and see what this looks like. And here's what it looks like at night. It actually puts off a fair amount of light. I mean, almost to the point where it would be a night light. But, all right, let's look around. So there's our hummingbird. Like I said, the flower is lit up. That illumination of that flower looks great. And we've got our lightning bugs down here. And we're going to flip this around so you can see. So the hummingbird's got a red eye on this side, but when we come around and we do more the cyberpunk design, ooh, that's really nice. We'll come around to the back. Another view of the flower. Just having that bulb lit in there, it really just illuminates the whole thing. I really like the way that looks. You can see our little battery box here. I'll show you that in the light in just a second. And we'll see what this looks like in the daylight as well. So you can kind of see, you can see the mechanical aspect of it here. But let's look at all these really colorful metallic parts. And this is the back side of it, or the mechanical part of the hummingbird. So there's our plug-in where all the plugs go in. Kind of hidden for the most part. Really easily hidden too, because you could just flip that around if you wanted to, if this was the side that you wanted to show off. And there is our bird. And all these, yes, these are all shiny metallic pieces. It's quite an interesting array of different colors and pieces. So you got like a dark red, like a metallic green, gold and silver, a lot of silver pieces. And then there's our light for the eye. Whoa, that was interesting. All right. Well, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll put a description in the comments as well, linking to this set if you're interested in it. The set on here is 70011, 1,704 pieces. Like I said earlier, JM Bricklayer is the company that's selling these. Here's what your box looks like. And it's a fair-sized box. You've got the details there, just in case. It says you can reach out through the app, so if you want to do that, or just go to the website, you got a couple different options there. Like I said, they also have all different kinds of sets. We looked at it here earlier in the book, in the very back. So if there's other stuff in there that you want, have at it. So I think that's going to wrap this video up. Hopefully you guys like this. It's a little bit different for me, and something I'm really interested in, the lighting stuff. It's one that it seems like a lot of their sets have some kind of lighting kit to them. And yeah, that's something I'm trying to get into. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.